Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to restrict total cart quantity to specific multiples in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. So user can only add product in even numbers, not in odd numbers. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page, quantity 2, now make it 3 and then click on update. So it's working, but we are going to restrict it to even number. Now go to dashboard, on left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section, open, scroll down, you can add title, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So in multiple array 246, so you can define multiples in array, and then you see custom message, you need to buy in quantity of specific product. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to cart page and refresh the page. So we have 3 quantity. Now you see message, you need to buy in quantity of 2 or 4 or 6. Now make it 9. Click on update. Again you see message, so click on proceed to checkout. Now you see error message, back to cart page. Now make it 12 and then click on update. Now you see cart updated, click on proceed to checkout. Now you see checkout working, back to cart page, go to shop page. So we are going to add another product. Now product is added. Now you see 2 product, back to cart page, refresh the page. Now 14, make it 3 or 4. In odd number, click on update. Again you see message, click on proceed to checkout. Again you see error message, so only even number work in cart page. Now make it 5, click on update. Now you see cart updated, click on proceed to checkout. Now you see checkout page working. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.